You must be doing something right. So have you sort of identified the secret sauce that is making people interested in your video? What makes people really drawn to you and your style of content?
We tried to figure it out. We did some research at the university to get a closer look on what gets people interested in educational science videos. And at Breaking Lab, we always try to, first of all, take science really seriously, because I write paper myself. I have to read them a lot for my research. If you read the paper, you see, oh, the scientist already said, there's a problem and there's a problem, and we have to figure it out together. And this is what makes science interesting, because if we already had all the solutions, we wouldn't do research. So yeah, and I think this might be something that's special about Breaking Lab, because we try to get a deep dive into it without losing anybody, because we take the viewer's perspective who might not studied physics and try to understand how can we explain it that everybody understands.